They were too greasy. The
When
oil
they
didn't reach.
when they come in the car, taste one, and then when you're ready to eat them, see how crispy they are.
So guys, are you trying to tell me that you don't know what a crispy fry is when you get
Oh, I
home
might
and
be
you
able to
open
go
a
over
bag
there.
of French fries and get crispy fries? Like, because there's no like denying what a crispy fry is. You can try and talk about fries all you want, but when you're a chef, you either know how to
Chef.
cook a French fry or you go to the store and get French fries and you have to pick what they give you. But if you're a chef, you say how you want your food cooked. Here's my wife.
Hey there.
Hi.
Yeah, we're just looking for French fries, just extra crispy, and then onion rings, please.
Guys, I need fries well done, okay? Make it crispy.
Make sure they're crispy.
Make it crispy, okay? They are both crispy.
Awesome. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Oh, sorry. That'll be $9.94.
And an onion ring, you got that?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Perfect. So 2 fries. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And you need any ketchup vinegar in the bag?
No, thanks.
Yeah, you can't cook that at home. You can't buy onion rings and make it at home. Well, number one, a bag of onion rings is expensive, and then number two, a bag of French fries is expensive. I think you go stupid when you don't eat. I swear you got like fuck, her brains are seeping out her ears right now, guys.
You're
Like I look at her and I just see dumber and dumber coming,
I'm sitting here
glazed
listening to
over.
you. That's what
I
happens.
seriously said nothing. I just look over her ear.
You're just
like
talking
I'm
about
melting.
French fries.
I said $9 is
I'm like, we
super
just
cheap.
bought a
That's
bag.
super cheap.
We just bought a whole bag of French fries.
You
for
cannot
something.
buy onion rings. No, those French fries were $3.79. I know, guys. She knows
And it's
nothing.
3 times the amount that we're getting
And
right now.
they're frozen solid,
Yeah,
and
well,
they need an
cook out
hour
that
in the
air fryer.
oven.
You want to have crispy French
You
fries.
need parchment paper. You need all kinds of stuff. You have to
Oh,
have a
goodness.
clean pan. You wash the pan. You
That's-
take an hour and 45 minutes, and you have French fries. Or you come here for an extra $1, and they cook it for
No,
you
it's not.
well
It's
done.
called driving, traveling.
We're already
time.
coming here. It
You're
doesn't.
for French fries.
Nope. We're coming here for a burger.
No, we're not.
Yeah. We're going to get Impossible Burgers. Are you crazy? We're getting Impossible Burgers.
The Impossible Burger's price is hard to beat right now. That's for sure.
Yeah.
I will agree with you on that one. We got a bunch of buns and we don't have any burgers.
I know. I have
So
to
we
get a
have to
hold
go
of
get
some
it.
companies and find out.
No,
Well, we
we'll
can have
just-
chicken burgers. There's also options. You can have a honey mustard, lettuce, tomato, onion chicken burger. They're with vegan bacon. That hooray! Hooray!
Yeah, you gotta cook it up and see how it tastes. Thank you. Just double check it. 2 French fries and onion rings. Check, check, check.
No, one fry and one onion. Let's go. That way. So it's you.
1 fry and 1 onion ring?
Yeah.
But I paid $9. They're 3 something.
$4 a fry, $5 the onion ring.
I asked them both.
You did, but you didn't say, is there 2 French fries and 1 onion ring? You were not specific with the order. Lesson
I'll
learned.
get French fries from the jar.
That's right.
Next place.
No big deal.
Is there a receipt in the bag there?
We will. Are you judging the price, saying $9 for 2 things isn't
Usually
cheap?
12.
Yeah. Oh, we totally beat you, bud. We are getting hot food and you're getting cold food. No, our food's cold too. My wife was holding it up. Okay, here we go.
Which French fries are you gonna have here or those ones?
We'll share everything.
I'm gonna
Can you get 3 burgers, please? I'm starving. And we'll cut one in half. So you,
It's 2 for $9.
oh, is it? Let's see if they're okay.
We have tons of food. I just spent $300 at. Then. That looks good. Jalapeno or the angry poutine. Need to be angry.
Get it?
I'm going to. Oh, this is going to be behind us now.